So my topic today is about Industry 4.0 and Society 5 and the role of AI and data sciences. I'm sure all of you are very familiar with the Industry 4.0, which is actually the the current benchmark for various setting up standards, technologies for manufacturing, automation, and also linking various computational platforms. While Society 5 is I would say, is very similar to Industry 4.0, but it comes from the Far East. You can see a lot of similarities between these two frameworks. One is more popular in the Western world. Industry 4.0 is more popular in the Western world, and Society 5 is more popular in the Far East. Since I come from AI data science background, I will try to talk a bit more about various AI platforms and some of our own research, some results, some challenges, etc., etc. So going forward, I will quickly introduce Industry 4.0 for those who are not familiar, Society 5.0, and the link between data sciences and intelligent computing. Some of our works in this field using what we call as the flexible trees, which is more like an AI platform for handling data science related problems, followed by some short conclusions. So we are actually enjoying the fruit of the fourth industrial revolution. Basically, for those who are totally new to this field, the first industrial revolution goes back to the end of 18th century, where we try to use more water and steam power for some simple rotation of machinery or some basic automation. Then in the beginning of 20th century, invention of electric power, we were able to automate things in a much bigger scale. And the beginning of the early 70s, invention of electronics. We had sort of basic computers. We have basic AI technologies, embedded systems. We are able to take automation to an entirely new level. And finally, I would say the last almost 10 years, we are actually enjoying what is called as a fourth industrial revolution based on integration of various platforms from physical systems, Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, data sciences, various computational platforms, taking to cloud computing, edge